You search for how to buy shares of Florentaise SA, so this short guide will show the main steps to find and buy ALFLO.PA. Florentaise is a French horticulture substrate manufacturer listed on Euronext under the ticker ALFLO.PA, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ALFLO.PA to locate the correct listing. Select the result that shows Florentaise SA on Euronext to open the asset page. On the asset page, check the company information, sector details, and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Make sure the page clearly shows Florentaise SA and the ALFLO.PA ticker. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a pending instruction, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For the example platform link, see the description below to open an account and follow this walkthrough.